Hello everyone, today I will show you how to access Grammarly's AI rewriting suggestions, and here's how it's done. To use Grammarly's AI rewriting suggestions, log in at grammarly.com. You can access Grammarly via the web editor, desktop app, browser extension, Chrome, Edge, or Safari, or in Microsoft Word and Outlook. Once you enter text, Grammarly scans it in real time, underlining areas to improve clarity, tone, or conciseness. Hover or click to see suggested rewrites, then apply with one click. Premium users get advanced options like tone shifts, multiple rewrites, and access to the AI assistant via the sidebar or light bulb icon. You can enter prompts like, make this more formal, or shorten this, and it rewrites your text accordingly. Grammarly makes it easy to refine your writing with AI. And that is everything to know about how to access Grammarly's AI rewriting suggestions. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.